Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set or select sources for your searches in the Perplexity AI/Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this, guys. So let me navigate to a thread here on the Comet AI web browser used by or through my Perplexity account. And usually, guys, you know how it works on ChatGPT and Gemini and all of these chat assistants. You will see the sources listed just at the bottom of the provided response. But you can, for example, narrow down these sources and select a specific type of sources to be used for your searches, be it a normal search or a deep research, like in this case here, for example, Perplexity AI/Comet AI has used more than 120 sources for that prompt here, for that request. So let me show how to do it, guys. Start a new thread here on Comet AI by clicking into this button in the top left, and after that enter your prompt here, for example. And what you want to do is click into before you give it the command, you may click into this button here, set sources for search, with that globe or globe icon, planet icon here, and simply enable the type of sources you would like to use, like web, which is what most chat assistants use when you ask them something. So which means basically they look up information online, web addresses and so on and so forth, websites, journals, and all of that stuff. But you can also select academic sources. For example, if you're working on a research papers analysis or maybe an essay, you may enable these two. And after that, Perplexity AI/Comet AI will focus specifically on that type of sources when searching or looking up information for your prompt or for a response. You may go also with, for example, social media and so on and so forth, guys. And that's basically it. So let me disable that one here and leave it at web. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.